ॐ सर्वपुष्पकस्थायिने मते सर्वकानिकस्थायिने मते सर्वभद्रस्थायिने मते सर्वमूलिकस्थायिने मतो तावरसाम्राज्य स्वरूपमतो Now we come to the new session, the medical science from University of Dakshashila, Dakshinashila, Panchashila and Hadasila and so on. Actually everything is in a brief and sketch format. The medical science, the human kingdom, 5 dimensions of human anatomy, time immemorially categorized. Human anatomy, time immemorially categorized into 5 dimensions. It is a special course, very, very special course at 6 types of universities. First one is Thulam, second one Manas, third one Prana, fourth one Jiva, fifth one Sukshma. The translation is body, second one is mind, third one is life force, fourth one is life, and fifth one is inner space. Now we come to the other second same matter. We will come to the other second view of it. What do you call human AUJAS or human aura, oval format with 2 centers. One is Sahasraram, other one is Mooladhara. It is the AUJAS of a human anatomy that a human person stand, if a human person is stand on a healthy, well personality person stand on earth, the AUJAS form like this. If it is a divine personality, the AUJAS touches 1/3 in earth and 2/3 above the earth. The AUJAS, the white color AUJAS, you can see this one, white color AUJAS. And 2 centers. 2 centers means 12 inches above the, what do you call, above the Sahasraram. Otherwise, Mooladhara is one of the center. There is 9 sacred external outdoors around the spinal cord closer to the Mooladhara, the shrine, being 12 inches about from Sahasraram. Other than that, there is another center is there, that is flexible center. When we sleep, that Mooladhara center shift into Nabikamalam. That is center part of the stomach. There's a round is there, that stomach part, Nabikamalam. Generally 2 centers. This is the oval, that is all 0, 0. So the divine personality are just auras, person to person differs, but the divine personality like Bhujanda Maharishi, like Paniniachara Saraswati, it touches the sky, space and outer space, the AUJAS, and it covers the whole earth. That is the secret of the AUJAS or aura. Now we come to the other portion of this ASwathaThaVirukshaka, banyan tree. On earth is called as also banyan tree is ASwathaThaVirukshaka. That also is called as ASwathaThaVirukshaka. Actually, originally ASwathaThaVirukshaka is on the outer space. ASwathaThaVirukshaka in the outer space. Prime root is named as Smriti Vetasruti. Subroots written Vedas towards the upward directions. that towards the now that you can see the sun is there, earth is there. What do you call here? The earth is there, there the sun is there, and this is an unseen ASwathaVirukshaka tree in the outer space. This blue color aura is an outer space aura of the outer space. Branches, leaves, fruits are towards to the earth. ASwathaVirukshaka banyan tree is comparable to human nervous structure, system, functions are identically same. Human nervous system, if you carefully observe the human nervous system, it nerves moves from head to the down, from to the left or down to the legs. So that is the branches. Similar way, ASwathaVirukshaka. The ASwathaVirukshaka roots are towards upward direction to the what do you call to the outer space, towards this totality, to the center of totality, and what do you call written Vedas, that is Holismriti Vetasruti, the main root of the ASwathaVirukshaka, and sub-roots are written Vedas are towards the upward direction. Branches and fruits, leaves towards the what do you call towards the earth. Generally, tree on the earth is other direction, but the ASwathaVirukshaka is the unseen tree in the outer space. The tree is in the upward direction. Roots are towards the totality and the center totality. Branches are down to the earth, like sun, how the sun rays falls around the earth, like similar way the branches, leaves and all. This also is one of the very, very special cows, ASwathaVirukshaka on outer space. At the same time, the banyan tree on the earth, same time human nervous structure, system, functions. These three identical aspects are very, very important causes, three sub-causes named under the ASwathaVirukshaka. I will later on carefully go through all this matter little by little. If, regarding this, any questions you can ask me. This is actually when I was discovering, when I was in the peak of mountains. I was at the age of 7 years. Some foreigners has taken this photograph, and there is a little monastery also there. There is one of the shrine, very ancient shrine, and it's almost 7 to 9 years. I had to go through my database and all sort of things. And if you have any questions, online questions, I will attend it. Today only I just in the medical science, the peak of the medical science, what do you call, I have attended. Under the name of ASwathaVirukshaka. Under the name of ASwathaVirukshaka, three causes, human nervous system, and what do you call human nervous system. Second, the tree on banyan tree on earth, and what do you call third one, the ASwathaVirukshaka in the outer space. These three structures are identically same, functions are same, and that merits and everything's the same. I will later on, I will go through it carefully. I will explain furthermore regarding this particular course. Yeah. I will attend that questions also. That's also the important question. I will attend the question. Second one, that also I will attend the question. Yeah. it is like a waterfalls. The blood circulation is like a waterfalls throughout the human anatomy. Nervous system is the subtlest illuminating rays falls from top to bottom, like sun rays illumines towards the earth, around the earth. Similar way, the nervous system illumines from top of the head around the and down the anatomy. Similar way, the blood circulation like waterfalls, like rainfalls. There also function throughout human anatomy from top to bottom. I will attend it all those questions later on carefully. Thank you. I will meet tomorrow. I will meet tomorrow at the same time. Okay. Thank you. My humble salutation to excellence. Om Namah Shivaya Guruve Satchitanandamurti Nisprapanchya Niralam Veathic Jnanam Neyam Jnanakanyadidam Sugdam Mugdam Vyomavadya Daksha Om Shum Dakshanamurti Mide Om Maunam Jagyanam Prakritam Brahmadadvam Jnanam Vashishtam Devasad Vijiganay Rabdadam Abdadam Brahmanishtai Achari Indram Karagalizam Sidmudram Anandamurtim Swadma Ramam Mudita Vadanam Om Shivam Dakshanamurti Mide